Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going to go over this 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. This boat is powered by twin 300 black Mercury Verados with joystick piloting, as well as this boat has a joystick. A couple new things on this boat. So it's got the white hull color as well as the nougat interior color. So that's the brown interior color here. And then what you're seeing here is brand new from Saxdor, this aft setup. So let's get on the boat and check it out. So now standing in the cockpit, you'll see the seating arrangement is facing each other, opposing seating. The other arrangement is this table will drop down, this seat back will fill in, and then you have a large lounger or sunbed. The third is these backrests will come forward, and then you have 2 rows of forward-facing seating. The other great thing about the cockpit of this boat is we have the side wings that fold down. So starboard and port wings fold down, increase the width and the entertainability of this boat. One thing that I love that Saxdor does. Just forward of that second row seating, you have your wet bar. This has a freshwater sink, a Kenyan stovetop, as well as 2 drawers for cookware or things you might need to store away for the day. Moving forward up into the cockpit, triple wide seating here with the captain in the center. Really nice driving position, good visibility all around. You'll notice these tracks up here will have a weather enclosure that during the kind of rougher days you get some spray. You can enclose this whole cockpit up, make it easier for kind of bookends of the season when it's a little colder up here in the mid-Atlantic. Here's a quick shot of the visibility and sight lines from the helm. Again, you've got a tilt steering wheel, Mercury binnacle here, joystick trim tabs, as well as your joystick piloting for outboards, induction charger, little glove compartment, twin SIMRAD screens, as well as the necessary gauges and switches along the dash. And then lastly, your anchor winch controlled from the helm, located very conveniently at the helm. Seated down the cabin of the Saxdor 320 GTO, I love the light woods that are down here. It gives it an airy feeling. You can't really believe that you're in a 32-foot sport boat, but as you look at the sleeping arrangements, very wide. You can put 2 people down here for an overnight easily. This is actually the head. You can see the toilet there. Seat goes down, and when you want to enclose it, this door here will close and give you a little bit more privacy. Your electronics closet and breakers are just on your left side as you come down into the cabin. You have another comfortable seat here, a shot of the forward bed, as well as check out the skylights and natural lighting that's just pouring down in here. And finally, down here in the cabin, this is just a shot of how the head looks when it's enclosed. Again, nice cabinetry over here, spot for some bags, and then again, this natural lighting that just comes down here is pretty incredible for a 32-foot boat. And lastly, wrapping up our walkthrough of the Saxdor 320, the GTO, the bow area, very comfortable, fan favorite for your family members and guests aboard. Cup holders, JL audio speakers, handrails, as well as the anchor locker is forward with your catapult windlass. If you have any questions on this boat, please give us a call. Again, my name is Perry, 410-732-1260.